is Saturday and we are celebrating our youth Christmas party. So I'm with our youth. So it's my vlog again.
Ibot man
It's
ako.
not a picture. It's Justin.
Ibot ako picture ah.
Ay, sorry Justin, sorry.
Blocking.
Kala mo picture, no? It's a prank. And here's the two angels, Gallardo angels. It's a video. And also our Manug Help. And their daughter, Yana. And here's the papa.
Yan.
So, wait lang. So, ongoing po kaming kumakain ngayon. Ongoing po yung lunch namin. Say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog, guys. Hi. Bebe, anak. Hi. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. It's a fake vlog. Bakit ka nag-iisa?
Dahil nabubusog siya sa fries.
Okay lang. So, meron pa kami other yung father, brother Romy Castro. At ang aming mga young people sa relocation. Say hi! Say hi! Ay, huyang sanda. Paula. Ah? And okay, so here's the gifts. Wanna show you the gifts. Lagay in English ako sa vlog. So here's the gifts. Okay, so maiiraos na yung second Christmas party na City of Youth. Here's the gifts. So many gifts. Our Christmas trees are there. And also,